Today, we have a recipe for seafood chow mein. This seafood chow mein would cost over $100 at a fancy Chinese restaurant because we make it with sea cucumber, which is a Chinese delicacy. Before we do our recipe, let's check out a famous Chinatown restaurant to see how they serve their special chow mein. So I'm in front of Fu's Ho Ho restaurant. It used to be one of my favorite Chinese restaurants in Chinatown. It's been boarded up for over 7 years now. So I used to come here all the time for Chinese food. We're going to have some lunch here at the Daisy Garden restaurant. I went to the old one, actually went to the two of the old ones before. The last time it got burned down, so since then they haven't opened for a few years. So they just reopened recently. So this is their version of their special chow mein. So I'm going to do my version. So stay tuned for that. My version is going to have 5 times the prawns, 5 times the scallops. We use the sea cucumber instead of the Chinese mushroom. Today we're at Chef Tony's. We're going to try their dim sum. This restaurant has won a lot of awards. It's pretty famous locally. So we're going to enjoy some dim sum today. Oh, look at that. This is seafood special chow mein. So we're going to make my version at home. But let's give this a try right now. So the special chow mein, you get these huge scallops. That's a real nice sweet scallop, not overcooked, really tender. So this is seafood chow mein. It's got the nice sauce on the seafood, and you have some nice noodles here. Oh, look at that, look at that. So that passes my test for a good seafood chow mein. Sea cucumber is a marine animal. It's a very expensive delicacy in Chinese cooking since ancient times. It's shaped like a cucumber and is sold in a dried form. As you can see, these are the dried sea cucumber. We have 6 of them here. So you can have different grades of sea cucumber. This is the sea cucumber, which has been soaking in the water for 7 days. So every day you change the water and put more cold water in there. You can see the sea cucumber has become very large. See here where the opening is. Just put your scissors in and cut it lengthwise. Then we're just going to clean out the guts. So first you got to clean out the guts from the sea cucumber. So these sea cucumber normally sell for $80 a pound. So it's medium grade. Bring some water to a boil in a pot. Then put the sea cucumber into the boiling water. Add a couple pieces of ginger and let the sea cucumber boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off the sea cucumber and put it in the jar again with cold water. Put the sea cucumber in the fridge overnight. On the day you're serving your recipe, you need to boil your sea cucumber for 20 minutes to over an hour, depending on the grade of your sea cucumber. Then cut up your sea cucumber into bite-sized pieces. To start, bring a pot of water to a boil. Here I have 2 pounds or 908 grams of fresh chow mein noodles. You can also use the dry packaged noodles if you like. For these noodles, you only need to boil them for 1 to 2 minutes. Give these noodles a quick rinse under cold water to stop the cooking and also to get rid of some of the starches. Preheat a pan at medium to high heat and add 5 to 6 tablespoons of cooking oil. I like to use peanut oil.
Cook the noodles to the amount of crispiness that you like. Add more cooking oil as required. For this amount of noodles, I like to use 2 frying pans. Preheat your wok at medium-high to high heat. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, such as peanut oil. When the wok is nice and hot, put in your scallops and your prawns. Do a quick stir fry for 45 seconds to a minute. Take off your scallops and prawns. Clean off your wok and add another 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Well, now you add your aromatics. We have ginger, garlic, and celery here. Now we're going to add the Shanghai bok choy. And then we're going to put a cup to a cup and a half of chicken stock. Now it's time to add the sea cucumber. You can also add a cup of sliced green onions for color. And also return the scallops and the prawns. We're going to keep this dish simple by just adding a touch of salt and 3 to 4 tablespoons of regular light soy sauce. Thicken the sauce by mixing 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in a 1/3 cup of water.
Very good. Very good, very good. That's the one-shot pour. See? It's a one-shot pour. Oh, that's deep. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe.